YouTube, we're back at it with another video. All right, so right here, all we're focusing on is the back taper. Just so you can see the end result of what we're getting to. So look right here, clippers all the way closed. We're gonna go up just enough, just a little bit. Open it up to the third notch, bumped it up a little bit. Put it on the second notch. Flick out that bottom line. We're on the fourth notch, bumping it up just a little bit more. I'm ashy. All right, so right here, that's my zero guard. I'm going all the way up. And as you see, once again, on the third notch, that's typically where I like my back tapers at. On the second notch to break out that line. First notch to kill it out. I wouldn't say kill it out, to take it out altogether. Cleaning up all that hair at the bottom of the neck. I'm extremely ashy. I really don't like that. So anyway, you're gonna take your liners, hit the edge. No, it's a little blurry, but it should tighten up here shortly. Bingo. See, blew it all the way around. Go just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit. Go in, line up. Pretty straightforward, honestly speaking. No, I took it in a little bit, but hey, when you're using a mirror, hey, oh yeah, follow me for more. You ain't gotta follow me out the sky, but hey, I'll take you through the clouds if you do.